Velvety smooth, rich creaminess, and a flavoring of comfort. Cream of broccoli soup is a simple recipe, yet one that is highly satisfying and nutritious at the same time. With just a handful of ingredients, you can create this delicious, familiar soup. Pair it with your favorite salad or sandwich, or simply by itself. You're going to love it, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. There's something so comforting about this soup. I always loved the can of cream of broccoli soup, but as a mother and an adult, I love making it from scratch. To make this soup, there's minimal prep work. First off, chop 1 medium white onion, and then we need to cut 6 cups of broccoli. Take your broccoli crown and trim off the brown, fibrous end of that. Place it crown side down. Go ahead and cut off those florets at the base. Once the florets are all cut off, cut them into smaller pieces. It makes it easier to work with. You can use some of the broccoli stem, but I don't recommend going down too far because it's really fibrous and tough. That's all we need to prep, so we're gonna head over to the stove. In a large pot over medium-high heat, heat up 3 tablespoons of salted butter and 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil. Once your butter is melted and bubbly, add in the onions. Give that a stir and let the onions cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Now that the onions have softened up a bit, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Sauté the minced garlic alongside the onion for about 1 more minute. It smells amazing. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/4 a cup of white flour. Give that a mix and let the flour cook for about 2 more minutes until it browns up. Now that the flour has turned a little more golden, we're gonna add in 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of heavy cream, which is going to make this so rich and delicious. Stir this constantly until the mixture comes to a boil. Then add in the 6 cups of broccoli florets. Give that a great big stir and reduce your heat to low and let simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes until the broccoli has become more tender and the soup has thickened up. Turn off the heat and remove it from the stove. Then using an immersion blender, puree the soup carefully. You can also use a blender. Go ahead and ladle that soup into it and puree it until it's smooth. Once it's smooth to your liking, you just need to season it with some salt and pepper and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.